Hey everybody, hi and welcome, and thanks so much for spending a little bit of your day with me and the entire happy crew who has showed up for work today. We'll see how long they show up. I'm Laura, this is Zena, who likes to run as soon as I kick off. Wyatt's here, he likes to sleep through everything. Do you want to say hi? He's cleaning his paws today. There you go. And for today's video, I have my Glamour Jewelry Box for you. I'm so excited. I'm not sure what month this is. I think this is September's Glamour Jewelry Box. Yes, I'm pretty sure it is. Cannot wait to see what is in this little package. I actually have on Glamour Jewelry Box jewelry today. Love these two pieces, so pretty. Glamour Jewelry Box is a jewelry subscription. You get 3 pieces of jewelry for $29.95, and I believe there's $3.50 for shipping. You do get like I said, 3 pieces to keep. It's yours to wear and to love. You fill out a profile. You get to say what types of metals that you like, whether it be rose gold, gold, silver, or a combination. I like a combination. And I have been collaborating with Glamour Jewelry Box for quite a long time now. I love their jewelry. I have never had a problem with any of their pieces. I love it. I think, and usually you get a value of $75 or more for your $29.95. It always comes in a beautiful little jewelry pouch, and you get a little card usually that tells you all about little cards that tell you all about your pieces, and there's almost always a theme. And this says, this is cute. So it says, wish you were here, and it's crossed out and says, wish you were there. Don't we all? Right now. So it says, to our favorite member from Glamour Jewelry Headquarters, greetings from Santorini, introducing the Santorini collection, delicate pieces inspired by vacation dreams. These chic favorites will be the perfect addition to your summer look. Since we can't go to the Greek Isles right now, we are bringing Santorini to you. Doesn't that look beautiful? I've always wanted to go to Greece. I think that looks beautiful. Have never been. It is on my bucket list. All right, so I cannot wait to see what my pieces look like. I just love this collection every month. Always makes me so happy. And it looks like it is silver this month. Ooh. Okay, so first up, and this is what I see right away, are these fun earrings. Look how cute these are. I'm trying to find a way to make sure I can show these to you. I love these. I love a good dangle, and these are adorable. Look how cute that is. Love. I love, love, love these. Oh, I love a dangle earring. These are so pretty. Love the little bar in the middle. Love the oval shape. And I cannot wait to wear these. So pretty. So these are called the Fira earrings. The Fira earrings are a classic hoop with a contemporary twist, ready for whatever's on your schedule. And the retail price of this is $26, and they are from the Sophia collection. Love the picture on these. All right, so I cannot wait to swap out my earrings for you. Okay, so I swapped out my earrings. I moved the camera a little bit closer so make sure that you guys get a really good look at how pretty these are. I think these are the perfect size. They are such a lightweight. They feel like nothing is on your ears, which I love. No weight, but they look so pretty. And the best part, no noise whenever you move your ears. So pretty, the perfect size to be noticeable and stand out, but not over the top. Gorgeous. I love them. These are totally my kind of earrings. Perfect. All right, I got 2 more pieces to share. And this one is hiding in the bag from me. Always remember that if you subscribe to this box, you can always pause at any time or cancel if you needed to. Okay. Oh, look at this. So this is a bracelet. Look how pretty that is. It's a double strand. And yeah, that is so pretty. So it is double strand, so you can see the stones on the one side, and then it has the extra little silver piece here that actually does move. All right, and it's adjustable right here, so you can make it smaller or bigger to fit. And this one is called the Kamari Beach Bracelet. I love anything called beach. The Kamari Beach Bracelet. So I'm going to put that on so you guys can see it. This little stone does, like I said, move around. This little silver bead, I should call it, instead of a stone, the little bead moves around. Okay, so I now have it on the smallest setting just so you guys can see, and now it is not really moving. This little bead does move, so you guys can see that. So I think it will move around a little bit as I move. You can see I have a little bit of extra dangle here because I made it small. I do have really small wrists, just FYI. I do have very small wrists. But I think it looks very pretty. I love the double strands. And as I said, this is called the Kamari Beach Bracelet. And it says, playful yet sophisticated, the Kamari Beach Bracelet is sure to become your new favorite. What we love most about this gorgeous bracelet, the two beautiful strands and the ultra popular adjustable tie make it an effortless statement piece. And the retail value of this is $26, and it is by Laurel and Rose. I love these pictures, the grease pictures. So pretty. I love that as well because you can layer this. So you can wear another bracelet with it, like a bangle, or another stretchy bracelet if you wanted to. Very pretty. One more piece, the necklace I have here. Okay, last item, the necklace. Look how pretty this one is. This collection might be my very best favorite ever. Look how pretty this is. So it is a double strand necklace. I'm hanging this to do it justice, and I'll try it on. Love the details in this. So the stone is gorgeous at the bottom there. Love it. And then the smaller, shorter strand has all of these fun little beads as well. So it pretty much matches so well. This bracelet, I just love it. I love it. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And this is called the Nessa necklace. And it is a retail price of $27. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. I love it. Oh, I love that so much. Gorgeous. I love this set. So it says, beautifully eye-catching, the Nessa necklace is a piece that features a hint of sparkle with a classic round pendant. A one-step layered look makes the necklace easy to pair with many other favorite looks. And it's by Laurel and Rose. Love. Oh, I love it. Here's a closer look. Love the double strand. Love the earrings. Love all three pieces. There's a close-up of the bracelet. All three pieces are fabulous. Love the double strand. So I think that this set might be my all-time favorite so far, although I have liked so many of them that it is hard to pick. I love the earrings. I love that they do not make noise when I move. I love the double strand of the necklace. I love how much sparkle is in the circle pendant. So, so pretty. I just absolutely think this set is fantastic. And I love the double strand of the bracelet. So pretty. All right, so I love this set. I think they did an awesome job creating this one. I think all three pieces here were over the $75 price mark. So yeah, it looks like about almost $80, just under $80 for the value of this set for $29.95. What do you guys think? Do you have a favorite piece? I don't know if I can pick one. Maybe the earrings, just because I love the dangle of these earrings, but I'm really loving the necklace, and I think the bracelet just completes it. I love all three. I really do. All right, guys, thanks so much for spending time with me today. I love this set. Of course, I have a code for you if you guys want to give this box a try. I'll put that information down below. I do enjoy this subscription box. I think it brings that little bit of happy every single month. Yeah, and if you check out my What I Wore videos, I do showcase a lot of the Glamour Jewelry Box pieces so you can see how I wear them. All right, guys, thanks so much. I'll list each of these items down below. I'll put the information in case you want to give it a try, and I can't wait to hear if you have a favorite piece in this set. So please comment down below. And until next time, I'd love it if you enjoyed this video, if you could give it a thumbs up, and if you could hit that subscribe button and hang out with us for the long haul. And if you already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time, bye, everybody.